The last couple of days has been filled with the news of layoff everywhere you turn. This once upon a time dream companies for many and still is for some has thrown thousands back into the job market unexpectedly, just at the beginning of a recession. Brace yourselves, the future doesn't look so bright, but with the knowledge in this video, you can crisis-proof yourself and elevate your earning. Here are 23 ways to make money online in 2023 with little to no starting capital. 1. Short-form video editing. TikTok gave rise to the consumption of short-form content, and the craving for such has skyrocketed over the years. Celebrities, brands, micro-influencers, and big influencers alike are eager to find good video editors to create IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos. These videos can be edited on your smartphone and cost $0 to start. Once you're willing to learn, practice, and master this skill, then market yourself. 2. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is free and easy, but it requires a lot of patience. All you need is a Google account, your smartphone or laptop, a list of topics to talk about, and then post your videos. If you were recently impacted by the layoff, you can as well teach others how to get into these companies. Lessons you learned while working with these companies, hobbies you are currently exploring, and maybe how to navigate layoffs. Thousands of people need that content right now. 3. Thumbnail designing. More and more people are starting their YouTube channels, and thumbnails are crucial to any video success. You could opt for a graphic design class or watch tutorials on YouTube, reach out to YouTubers to work with them as a thumbnail designer, or open an account on Fiverr or Upwork as a freelancer. 4. Crocheting. There's a new wave of admiration the Gen Zs have for crochet. This is the time to pick those skills your grandma taught you and make a few dollars from it. You can also teach others how to crochet on TikTok or YouTube. 5. Amazon KDP. Ever heard of making money from books even as a non-writer or without using AI? KDP makes you money when you create low-content books like planners, journals, and others and sell them for a few dollars on Amazon. 6. Sales copywriter. Like you, many are looking to make money online selling goods or services. Each of these sellers will need a sales copywriter to craft highly converting copy for them that will guarantee sales. If this is a skill you already have, brush it up and position yourself to make money. Otherwise, enroll in courses in that regard. Afterward, collate a list of potential buyers around you and reach out to them. 7. Dropshipping. This is a business model that lets you buy products directly from manufacturers and ship them to your customers without having to keep any inventory. Some dropshipping platforms offer a free trial so you can see how they work before committing your money. Go check them out. 8. Graphic designing. This might take a while to yield fruit, but yield fruit longer. Mastering graphic design skills will guarantee you a constant flow of cash, and with more businesses coming up every day, the need for branding and designing won't go out of fashion soon. 9. Affiliate marketing. This business model pays you commissions for each qualified referral you make or direct to a product or service. This program is available for different sectors like online learning such as Skillshare and Allison, or web hosting services like Bluehost and many others. Go check them out. 10. Domain flipping. The good old business of buying and selling of domain names at a higher price is still relevant today. If you're good at futuristic thinking and have a few dollars to spare, you can give this a try. 11. Content writing. With the rise in influencer marketing and more internet users comes a higher need for more content writing by brands and influencers whose aim is to acquire followers and retain them. This has a low barrier to entry and high turnover. A freelance marketplace might be a great start. Go do some findings and get going. 12. Ghostwriting. Thought leadership and personal branding are on the rise as well, and many are looking to create engaging content to build their brand and reputation online. Reach out to professionals on Twitter and LinkedIn looking to create consistent content but don't have the luxury of time. Simply write and get paid by them. 13. Course creation. This is a two-way thing. Therefore, you can create courses and sell them online, or help an influencer to research, write, and organize the content of their online course and get paid. This is a highly lucrative business with a low cost of production. 14. Personal assistant. YouTubers, influencers, C-level executives, and even small business owners on Instagram are always on the search for personal assistants that will relieve them of recurring tasks like emails, setting up meetings, and their daily to-dos. There are many ways to make money. You just have to look in the right direction. And that brings us to the point where we need your support to grow. If you've watched this far, it means that this video is helpful to you. Click the subscribe button now to support us and gain access to more quality content like this. 15. Content creation. There's literally no yardstick for what qualifies as content right now. The market is wide and different content appeals to different audience. Simply find what the audience love and you love it too. Become good at it and milk it forever. 16. Lead generation services. Brands and businesses are always looking to expand their clients and customer base. For example, YouTubers are always looking for sponsorship and advert deals. If you can generate these leads for them for a percentage cut, that is cool money to make. Freelancers are equally looking for high quality clients for a percentage cut too. Master this and make more money. 17. Ad services. From Facebook ads to Google ads, more and more brands are looking to sell their goods online by targeting the right audience. You can take 1 or 2 courses online, practice, and start reaching out to clients to help them set up their ads campaign or teach them how to do it. 18. Voiceover artists. Millions of people consume audio and visual content daily, and this requires voiceover most times. Becoming a voiceover artist is quite easy. You simply need to have fluency in the desired language, speak clearly, and have the right tone for each character. 19. Product photography. Small businesses are rising every day from different corners of the world. Very clean, clear, and well-edited images can make a great difference in driving sales. This is why business owners are looking to hire product photographers for their businesses. 20. Website designing and development. Website design or development, when mastered, can skyrocket your finances in unimaginable ways. From personal website to e-commerce and brand websites, the market is large. Go get your hands dirty in learning, and after a while of consistent practice, start earning massively. 21. Programming. If you are good at programming, you consider freelancing on the side or teaching programming to incoming students. If you aren't, start learning immediately and crisis-proof yourself against the coming recession. This is a high-paying skill and it isn't going away anytime soon. 22. Selling your crafts and designs. If you have a knack for creating amazing crafts, you can make a lot of money selling them physically and online. If you are an artisan with a talent for making homemade goods, for example, you can start marketing these items on your social media or sell them on platforms like Etsy. 23. Sell digital products. You can create digital design, upload them online, and make money whenever someone makes a purchase. Platforms such as creativemarket.com and Printful can be used by designers to sell stock photos, fonts, and wallpapers, while recipes and ebooks can be sold on Amazon, amongst others. If you don't design your own life, chances are you will fall into someone else's plan. And guess what plan they have for you? Nothing much. The world is yours. Go out there and start earning money legitimately. Till next time, keep thriving.